All right, what's going on, everybody? It's O-Rock here, and I'm back at you with another video for Ming Tech Media. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Java 17. Now, before I get started in teaching you Java and everything to know about, the latest versions of Java, I want to go ahead and install Java 17 on my system and show you how I do it. I'm using a Mac OS, so I'm going to show you how to do this on a Mac OS, but if you're using Windows, the steps are pretty much identical, right? So I'm going to open up a new browser and I'm going to type in install JDK, right? And I'm going to go to this first link that says Java Downloads Oracle, right? Click on that link. And so I'm going to install Java 17, right? And I'm going to scroll down. You click the Java 17 tab and then click Mac OS. If you're on Windows, again, you just click Windows and then you install, depending on which version of Windows you have, right? So if you're on a Mac, Apple recently updated to their like M1 chips instead of their Intel. So if you're on the M1 chip, you want to use this ARM64 DMG installer. The DMG installer is a lot simpler, and because of that, I would highly recommend that if you're on a Mac, whether you're on a Mac M1 or a Mac Intel, just use the DMG installer. It's much simpler. So if you're on an M1 chip, those latest versions of Macs, use the ARM64 DMG installer. I am on an Intel, so I'm going to use the x64 DMG installer. So I'm going to click here, and that's going to download. Should take a few seconds. What's going on, everybody? Real quick, if you want to get my PDF, Be a 3% Spring Boot Developer, where I detail all the different concepts and technologies and things you need to be familiar with to be a 3% Spring Boot Developer, go ahead and click that link in the description, sign up, and I'll send one right over to you. All right, so now I'm going to go into my Finder, Show in Finder. And then I'm going to just click this, and that's going to start the installation process. Away from this. All right, so now you're going to see this little box package, icon thing here. You click that. And then you just follow the prompts, click continue. You click install. And then you just type in your password, your system password. And then you click install software. And now it says software installed successfully or install succeeded. You close that, move that to trash. Now you can open up like a terminal window. I'm using iTerm. It's pretty much the same thing. I think I'll include a link in the description to where you can download iTerm. It's free. It's just basically it's just a more customizable version of the Mac terminal. So yeah, I think this window's already open. Let me just kill it first and then reopen it. Right, just make it a little bit bigger so you guys can see. And I'm going to type Java-S version. And here you can see that I've installed 17.0.5. That is the latest version as of, October 18, 2022. I'm recording this video in December 5th, 2022. So yeah, that's pretty much how you install Java 17. Very simple, very straightforward. Doesn't take much at all. So yeah, now that we've got Java installed, I'm going to install a couple other things if I haven't already. And, we're going to get to the next video. We're going to get to the next lectures, and we're going to start using Java and start building things and start, going through some of the more rudimentary things that Java has to offer. All right, see you in the next video.